how to download photos from TikTok. So if you have these picture posts on TikTok and you want to download them without any watermark, I'm going to show you how to do that exactly. So I have these wallpapers post right here, and if I want to download these, what you want to do is simply tap on the share button right here and copy link. Go to more, and then from here just copy the link. Once you have copied the link, open your browser, this website right here. If you search for it, this will show up right here, and you can open the first link. Download TikTok videos without watermark, so just tap on it, and from here you can paste the link that you just copied and simply tap on this download button right here. It will take a while, but here you can see all of these pictures right now from before, and you can choose the picture to download. So if I want to download this photo right here, I can just tap on download photo, and this should start downloading. And if I open the photo right here, as you can see, it is now downloaded to my media. And that's how you can easily download photos from TikTok without any watermark. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.